Oof. And shut this because winter's not real and it's not coming. I'm gonna be installing the Go Fast Bits Diverter Valve Plus on my Mk6 GTI. Can it be another GTI brother?
I want to die. Are you slow-mo panning me? It's gonna be such a bad video. Oh, you don't even have a dog mount in here? Weak.
I can get that easy. All right, so where is it?
Are you
right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it looks a little caked in
Caked in just muck.
yeah, muck. Okay.
A whole bunch of muck. Okay, these are a little tricky.
I can't see anything from up here.
So 2 of them are a 5 and 1 of them is a 6.
A little update on what you're doing down here.
Currently taking out one of the 5mm or 5 hex bolts.
Oh, nice. You got it out?
There's number 1.
Oh, nice.
Okay, the second one's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Okay.
Hey.
There's a
Yo, what's the update?
update's bad.
Why is it bad?
I'm stuck.
What do you mean you're stuck?
Stuck. Oh, you know what? Do we have a wrench, like the ball end wrench where it's a whole circle? Got your ass.
Damn it.
You know what I'm talking about, Tyler? Where it's a ball end, or it's a full circle on the other side, and then on the opposite side, it's kind of like an open one.
Yeah.
And that's what I need. That would probably work here.
I don't think we're gonna have that though. Does not seem.
Because I can't do this by just hands.
Here, I'm gonna come under and I'm gonna look and see what you're trying to do.
We don't have one of those bits.
Okay. Okay.
So what are you trying to do?
Let me grab my phone. So, obviously, here's bolt 1.
Okay, yep.
Here's bolt 2.
Okay.
Here's the one that I didn't need to pull out, but I did.
Oh, yeah.
And bolt 3
is up there. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
up here
yep.
where my middle finger.
Yep.
And so, trying to get this little guy in, but
Up there.
but I can't fit it all the way without losing grip on it.
Yeah.
Tyler, did you find anything?
No.
Okay. I already lost where I was. And have it. Wait, is this the same? Oh, that's my bad.
Jesus.
Is this? The
Oh,
same
hey, what's
side
up,
as it?
guys?
Oh, hey.
So,
Put it
So
in like
we need to
this.
put this in first
Oh.
before you put that on, just to make sure
Okay.
this stays in.
Okay.
what kind of contraption do we have here?
So it's, Vince, do you want to explain it again?
It's a drill fitted 5mm Allen
Uh-huh.
that's that's in a socket that I think is a 5mm socket,
Yep.
and then on top of that there's a wobble extension that's connected to that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in.
That might be a little bit too long. Might have to go get the smaller wobble extension.
Oh, we're gonna shoot our shot. Shooter's gonna shoot.
Shoot your shot 2018, boys.
Oh,
Is it out or is it?
oh no, she's got like one more thread.
You better watch your eyes for when that bolt falls.
Oh, my arm's cramping. Oh, got it. Oh, shit.
Well, it's still on the way, so you're fine to let it drop. The bolt's still in it. You're good to move your hand. You're good.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you're safe. Yep. It's just gonna drop where it is.
All right.
Ooh, we got her, boys.
We did it.
Mission successful.
All right. So now the next tricky bit is. Well, hold on here. Grab this. Grab the bolt.
Let's see it. Oh.
Just a little drippy.
Oh, yeah, she's dripping some.
Tyler, can you grab me
Black
another
oil.
blue towel just so I can clean up this inner area?
Good job, doctor.
this in?
Same way we took it out.
Oh, yeah, I don't remember. It was like this.
You didn't even wear your shop gloves.
I was wearing them earlier.
I really want to get the carbon fiber valve cover,
Shut up.
but it's like $400.
Why don't you just hydro dip yours?
Wouldn't that be more expensive?
You can get self-hydro dipping kits for cheap.
Really?
Fill up a Tupperware with water, put a sheet in there, take your thing, dunk it in. Carbon fiber.
So look like right in here and see if there's a little like insulator rubber thing that would go in my intake.
No.
No, I don't see it.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
So I
Rip.
guess what, it fell down to here and then it probably popped off?
Yeah. Rip.
Alright.
It's alright, I can get more.
Yo, man, you
don't
got
really need
air ducts down here?
I think it looks cleaner without them, to be honest.
Yeah. Wait, what, Vince?
You got air ducts down here that push air up through here, right into your transmission.
Oh, nice. Keep it cool.
Well, I mean...
Keep it clean.
Keep it cool, I'm smoking Mk6 DSG owners.
Yeah, tell me more. Tell me more how you're smoking on them, huh?
You just need to stream more.
You need to shut up.
I'm gonna take your audience. I'm gonna take Alex from you.
You can't take Alex from me. It's actually impossible. I can't get rid of him.
I don't know. If Alex hears Vincent and Matthew screams,
True.
he might tune in.
Like, you're always on your computer, you're just not always streaming. What if I stream all the time?
I don't know, you tell me.
Well, it's like you're losing your fan base.
Twitch.tv/TTerrific.
Shit.
Check out my stream.
Check out my stream. You'll get mediocre Fortnite content and Black Ops gameplay at 20 FPS.
Zombies get at 20 FPS.
What the fuck? Why is this?
Is it in?
Well, everything's in.
Everything?
Yes. Just want to go back and make sure all these are all like hand tight to the same amount.
So she done?
Yeah.
Installation completed.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, record that. There's nothing there.
Give it a maiden start.
Why? There's no reason to start it.
Yeah.
Diverter valve installed.
Yeah, I don't hear anything.
Whoa! Sounds great.
Great.
All right. Well,
Don't buy this product.
would you say it was a waste of $138?
No, it was only $100.
Oh. The one for the Mark 7's 138.
Oh.
Because, you know, Mark 7, more expensive.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you know, it'll be better in the long run when I actually make power.
Yeah.
So,
Let's hear one more pull.
We finished the install. I didn't hear any turbo noises, which is a little disappointing, but it holds boost better, especially off of decel. And then once you get back on the throttle, it's definitely got more throttle response. So if that's what you're looking for, yeah, go for it. Yeah.
All right. So, what do you have to say, mechanic? What are your thoughts on this install?
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
It's $100. If you got the money, go for it.
All right. And on that note, we are out.